The National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control has put measures in place at various ports to prevent the entry of specific brands of substandard pediatric cough syrups into the country. This is coming after the cough syrups were certified unfit for use by the World Health Organization after the death of 66 children in the Gambia. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun has details.
Investigations have been ongoing after the death of 66 children in the Gambia were linked to 4 brands of imported Indian cough syrup. This has set off chain reactions from the World Health Organization and local health agencies on the distribution and use of the 4 brands of syrup. The cough syrups have been allegedly linked to acute kidney injuries in the Gambia.
From India, and it could be shipped to Nigeria.
Today, the National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control is highlighting the steps it has taken to ensure the safety of Nigerians after an alert was sent out to the public on Monday.
According to WHO report, laboratory analysis of samples of the 4 products confirms that they contain unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol as contaminants. Diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol are restricted chemicals which are toxic to humans when consumed and can prove fatal, and indeed has proven fatal again.
The 4 cough syrups have now been put on the radar of the agency as the 6 key players to be vigilant within the supply chain in order to avoid the importation, distribution, sale and use of the substandard cough syrups.
We took the war to China and India 2019, 3 years ago, September, to let our clean report inspection analysts know that if you are doing business with us, you better do business at the same level, meaning to protect the health of our own people. Since that time, we have stopped over 85 to 90 shipments. And when you saw shipment, it may be containers in one shipment.
The agency reveals that it has activated its internal surveillance mechanisms to mop up the products from the supply chain pipeline if they are ever found within the system. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.